Hello friends, let's discuss illustration number 16 of portfolio management CMA final SFM. Please read the questions. This is the one of the important questions. Look at it. Look at it. Illustration number 16. The rates of return of the security company A and a market portfolio of 10 periods below. This is the security return and this is the market return. All are given. What is the beta? What is the beta you have to calculate? This is a very simple. We have calculated beta. The formula beta is S minus S bar M minus M bar divided by summation M minus M bar X square. Okay, this is a very easy. Now here it is asking characteristics line for the security A. Characteristics line of the security represents relationship between expected return of the securities and expected return of the market. It represents the return of the security depends on the return of the market and security beta with some constant. It means you have to calculate the value of some constant, and that constant value is calculated by taking past data and average run of the securities, average run of the market, and beta of the securities. That is the characteristics line. Okay, I am solving the question, you will understand better. Okay, now let's go to do the beta in this case. In this case, here calculation of average return of security, market, and beta. This is your SI. SI represents security. Okay, this is your MI. MI represents market. Now here SI minus S bar. S bar represents mean, average return of security. MI minus M bar, this represents deviation of market. Now MI minus M bar X square, this is for standard deviation of market. Now S minus S bar, M minus M bar. Now what is the security? 18 20 24, 18 20 24, it is given here 18 20 24, 26 18 minus 5, 26 18 minus 5, 17 19 minus 7, 17 19 minus 7, this is your 20. Okay, these are given. Okay, now the market. What is the market here? 22 20 18, 22 20 18, 16 20 8 minus 6 5 6 11, these are given here. These are the data of the market, these are the return of the securities, these are given. Now you have to take sum of these all. So what is the summation of this all here? Summation of this all, this is 150, this is 120. You can write here average return of security summation s divided by n. 150 divided by total number of observation 10, that equal to 50. Average return of market summation m divided by n, that is 120 divided by 10, this is your 12. Okay, now s minus s bar, 18 minus 15, 18 minus 15, what will be this? This is equal to 18 minus 15. This is calculated as 18 minus 15, this is 3. S minus s bar, 20 minus 15, 18 minus 15, this is a 3. 20 minus 15, this is a 5. 24 minus 15, this is a 9. 26 minus 15, this is a 11. 18 minus 15, that equal to 18 minus 15, this is a 3. Minus 3 minus 15 minus 20. 17 minus 15 2. 19 minus 15 4. Minus 70 minus 7 minus 15, that equal to minus 22. 20 minus 15, that equal to 5. Similarly, m bar is a 12. M bar is a 12. So what will be the m minus m bar? 22 minus 12. 22 minus 12, this is a 10. 20 minus 12, this is a 8. 18 minus 12, this is a 6. 16 minus 12, this is a 4. 8 minus 12, this is a minus 4. 20 minus 12, this is a 8. 8 minus 12, this is a minus 4. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. 5 minus 12 minus 7. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 11 minus 12 minus 1. This is the m minus mx square, that equal to 10x square. This is a 100. This is 64. This is 36. This is 4x square, that is 16. This is 64. This is a 16. 18 324. 324. 49. 36. This is a 1. The sum of this is 706. Okay, s minus s bar, m minus m bar. This when 3 into 10, 3 into 10, this is a 30. 5 into 8, 5 into 8, this is a your 40. This is a 40. 5 into, this is a 40. Similarly, 9 into 6, this is 54. 11 into 4, this is 44. 3 into 8, this is 24. This is minus 20 minus 4, this is a 80. 2 into minus 18, that equal to minus 36. 4 into minus 7, that is minus 28. Minus 22 into minus 6, that equal to 132. 132. 5 into minus 1, that equal to minus 5. The sum of these all is 335. Okay, now you can calculate here beta. Yeah, calculation of variance of market, a standard deviation market correct square, 1 upon n summation m minus m bar whole square, m minus m bar whole square. This is 1 upon 10. What is the m minus m bar? 706. 706. You write here 706. 70.6. Now you can calculate beta. Answer of first part you can calculate now. answer of first part. Calculation of beta. Beta equal to covariance security and market x square. Covariance is 1 upon n summation s minus s bar m minus m bar whole divided by 1 upon n summation m minus m bar x square. This get cancelled. The beta ultimately summation s minus s bar m minus m bar summation m minus m bar x square. This is already calculated s minus s bar m minus m bar. This is 335. This is 706. Three 35 706 0.4745. Okay, now answer of second part. Characteristic line. Calculation of characteristic line. Characteristic line. This is a return of security, some constant. This is the beta, return of the market. Return of the market. The return. This is return of the securities, where return of security return of market, some constant, whose value is determined on the basis of past data. On the basis of past data. Beta sensitivity of security with respect to the market, Look at it. Since the characteristic line passes through the average, look at here. This is equation first. Suppose this is equation first. Since equation first passes through what? Average return of security is average return of market. Average return of security is average return of market. Then security this alpha plus beta market. Now you can put the values of putting the value of average security return, average security return, average market return, and beta. What is the average security return? Please look at it. This is the average of security. This is 15. Average of market 12, and beta we have calculated 0.4745. 15 alpha 0.4745. 4745 into 12. Alpha equal to 15 minus, after multiplying this you will get here 15 minus 5.5 this is 5.694. This is 9.306. Now from equation first, putting the value of alpha and beta in equation first. Return of the security is 9.306 plus 0.4745 return of market. This is your characteristics line. This is your characteristics line. Tick line. Look at it. What represents characteristics line? Characteristics line represents the security of the return depends upon the return of the market on the basis of the beta of the securities on the basis of the some constant. The beta of the securities and constant are calculated on the basis of past data which I have calculated here. Okay, and thereafter we have decided as per the return changes of the market we can calculate the return will be the securities. Okay, thank you class. Okay, please like, subscribe and share my videos if you like this. Okay, thank you class.